Imagine driving from Europe to Africa. No ferries, no planes, just a bridge connecting two continents. Sounds like science fiction? It kind of is. Building a bridge between Europe and Africa is a fascinating idea, but many challenges make it nearly impossible. Let's explore why this impressive feat of engineering remains a distant dream. We'll journey through the geography, the engineering hurdles, the economic realities, and the environmental concerns that keep these continents apart. The first challenge is the sheer distance. The Strait of Gibraltar, the narrowest point between Europe and Africa, is about 14 kilometers or 8.7 miles wide. That's longer than the longest bridge ever built. But distance is only part of the problem. The seabed in the Strait of Gibraltar is far from flat. It plunges down to depths of over 900 meters, almost 3,000 feet in some areas. That's like trying to build a bridge over a canyon underwater. Not so fast! Before we get ahead of ourselves, let's consider the immense challenges involved. Building a bridge over such a deep and uneven seabed would be a monumental engineering challenge. The seabed here isn't just deep, it's also incredibly uneven, with rock formations that complicate construction. The bridge would need incredibly strong and long supports to reach the seabed and withstand the immense pressure of the water. These supports would have to be engineered to not only be long but also extremely durable to handle the underwater conditions. And then there are the currents. These aren't just any currents, they are some of the most powerful in the world. The Strait of Gibraltar is known for its strong currents, where water flows between the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea. This constant flow of water creates a dynamic and challenging environment for any structure. These currents would put enormous stress on the bridge, requiring specialized designs and materials to withstand the constant force. Engineers would need to innovate and use cutting-edge technology to ensure the bridge's stability and longevity. Section 4. The price tag of a dream. Even if we could overcome the engineering challenges, the cost of such a project would be astronomical. The financial burden would be immense, stretching the limits of what is economically feasible. Building the world's longest bridge over such a challenging environment would require an unprecedented amount of materials, including steel, concrete, and other resources that are already in high demand. Labor and technology. The workforce needed would be enormous, involving thousands of skilled workers and engineers, all working in harmony to achieve this monumental task. Funding such a project would be a global endeavor, requiring cooperation and financial contributions from multiple countries. International collaboration would be essential to pool resources and expertise, and it's unclear if any nation or group of nations would be willing or able to foot the bill. The political and economic complexities of such a venture cannot be underestimated. The economic feasibility of such a project is highly questionable, with many experts doubting the potential for a return on investment. The risks involved are substantial, with uncertain returns on such a massive investment. Investors would be wary, and the financial markets could react unpredictably, adding another layer of complexity to an already daunting challenge. Section 5. The environment's silent plea. Finally, we must consider the environmental impact. The natural world is a delicate balance of ecosystems, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the health of our planet. The Strait of Gibraltar is no exception. Building a bridge across the Strait of Gibraltar would disrupt a delicate marine ecosystem. This area is home to a diverse array of marine life, from tiny plankton to majestic dolphins, all of which could be affected by such a massive construction project. The construction process would generate noise, pollution, and habitat disturbance, potentially harming marine life. The noise from heavy machinery could interfere with the communication and navigation of marine animals, while pollution could degrade water quality and harm the organisms that depend on it. The bridge itself could also create a barrier for marine animals, disrupting migration patterns and impacting the health of the ecosystem. Fish and other sea creatures might find their paths blocked, leading to a decline in population and biodiversity. We must carefully consider the potential consequences of such a project on the natural world. Environmental scientists and marine biologists are already raising concerns about the long-term impacts on the ecosystem. In conclusion, while the idea of driving from Europe to Africa is captivating, the reality is that building a bridge across the Strait of Gibraltar is not feasible with our current technology, resources, and understanding of the environmental impact. The dream of connecting two continents by road is a testament to human ingenuity, but it must be balanced with a respect for nature. Perhaps one day, with breakthroughs in engineering and a global commitment to sustainable development, this dream might become a reality. Advances in technology could provide new solutions that minimize environmental harm while achieving our goals. But for now, it remains a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature and the limitations of human ambition. The untouched beauty of the Strait of Gibraltar serves as a reminder of what we stand to lose if we do not tread carefully.